how this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another review, guys. You can see our MacBook Air M4 version. Look at the box, guys. Beautiful, magnificent box. MacBook Air written this side as well. Behind you can see how it's sealed. Here we go. Wow, beautiful looking MacBook. Here I will take this off from here. Beautiful looking machine. We'll go to this later. Let's see what we have inside the pack. Here's the MacBook. I'm gonna peel the paper off. Let's see here from behind. Lovely side as well. From here. Normally I save the paper in case if I'm not want anymore, I want to return or something. Take this off from middle. Wow. It's a beautiful looking machine. You can see the color midnight. Look different in different color, different shade. Wow. Behind you see more flat, clean finishing. This side you have two C port and Apple charging port here. Nothing else. This side here you have a hole to open it. This side only 3.5mm jack hole. Behind we don't have anything, only stand. Lovely looking machine. How beautiful. Very slim though. Let me put this on for the first time. Wow, look at this, guys. How beautiful this paper. I'm taking off. Buongiorno. Bonjour. Hello. Beautiful looking machine. You can see closer how the keyboard. Look at the touchpad, how beautiful the shape, and the keyboard, beautiful designing, and the display. So I'm gonna do a quick setup and I will be back. This beautiful looking Mac is coming with Apple M4 chipset, that is 10 core, 16GB of RAM inside. You have a webcam at the front, also aluminum built-in body. I hit continue button. My Mac is ready to use. So one account has been created. Now I can go to Safari. You have to sign in with your YouTube account. I put here 4K video. Put here we go. How beautiful, guys. So Mac is ready to use. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.